everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I filmed a video, but I'm back, and today I'm going to be cleaning my Louis Vuitton lock. And I actually don't know if this is going to work. I watched a few videos on YouTube already. I'll link them down below if I can find them again, but if you're watching this, it's because it works. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. So in this dust bag, I have my Louis Vuitton Speedy, and that's like a nice, it's the Speedy 30. Not the smallest one, but not the biggest one either. Now, it's nice and cute or whatever, but the lock on here has kind of gotten tarnished or whatever. So I'm actually going to unlock it from the bag and then show it to you up close so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, as I'm doing this, in the other videos I've watched, people have said that, it kind of happened to the keys as well. I don't really care about the keys though. I care more about the lock because that's what you see on the bag. But other people said it just depends on the lock. Some of them do this and some of them don't. So I'm like, okay, mine's this bag is more than 2 years old, definitely. So it's been there for a while, but I also read some people had theirs just sitting around and it did this same thing as well. So it's just kind of a luck thing whether you get one that tarnishes or not. But supposedly it's really easy to clean. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you up close. This is what my lock looks like right now. So you can see it has almost oh my gosh, focus. Almost a rusted look. It just looks really dirty. And I want it to be nice and gold and shiny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use toothpaste to clean this. And you'll see me do the process when I go to the next clip. So stay tuned if you're interested in how I clean my little Louis Vuitton lock. So as you can just see, I finished cleaning the lock. What you didn't see in that little clip of footage was I did leave it on for 5 minutes and then I repeated that process again, and then I really scrubbed the lock. So it's not perfect, brand new, but it got the job done. I like how much better it looks now than it did before. So I'm going to hold it up here again so you can see. So there's definitely a difference in the lock. I did get toothpaste in this hole right here where the lock clicks closed. So what I did for that, I used a toothpick and I just went in there and I went and it cleaned that right up. And then I wanted to show you how much yuck came off the lock. So as you can see on this little towel here, oh, it's kind of washed out, but there's a lot of black on there. So all that came off the lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the bag right now. I had it over here. So it kind of goes a lot better now with the rest of the bag, just the condition of the rest of the hardware. So I'm happy with it. It's a lot better than it was before. So if you enjoyed this type of DIY situation, oh, I did want to mention that, where is it? I swear I brought it with me. Okay, so the toothpaste I used was Crest 3D White toothpaste, which is the one I use on my teeth to have this. This is obviously meant for your teeth, so it does a lot of a better. It does a much better job here than it did on the lock. But it got the job done. You can use whichever toothpaste you'd wish. I'm sure there's also a professional way to do this, but I didn't have time for that, and I just wanted a quick not taking up a lot of my day type of moment to clean this lock. So that's what I went ahead and did. If you enjoyed this DIY, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. I have a lot more content coming soon, a lot of different content as well. So I'm still going to do a bit of makeup, but I'll also incorporate more fitness, like one of my previous videos that I did, and then a little bit of like more like clothing and fashion. So we'll see how it like develops, but I will see all of you in my next video. Bye everyone.